All right, setting this angled base cabinet. I might, if you have this toe kick set, I think you picked that one up early. If not, maybe take that base cabinet, set it in the corner, keeping it 1.5 inches off the wall, and measure from the wall to the side on that to make sure it's parallel to the wall, and then draw a pencil line on the floor and then work backwards off of that to get the toe kick set. Once that kick is set, cabinet on there, 1.5 inches. Click these doors on there and make a note, maybe a pencil mark on the face of the cabinet on the edge banding where that door ends, and put this applied panel on there because that has that angled front piece, and figure out how much the applied panel is overhanging the pencil mark and transfer that number to the side here to scribe it. Same thing with this applied panel here. Those just work a little bit differently with the angle, but once those are set, the plywood top gets set on there. Put the rough top trim, that 1 1/8 inch material, and when you set that, make sure we'll have the applied panel on first, and then cut some 1/8 inch shims to put in between the panel and the bottom of that rough top trim, and just use that to keep a consistent 1/8 inch reveal between the panel and the bottom of the rough top trim. Once that's trimmed out, this can be set 56 inches off the floor in the same application. It's a little harder because this one, it's not sitting on a toe kick, so we have to do the same thing. Get that cabinet up there, make sure the doors aren't racked, and then put those applied panels on the same way. With marking where the doors are, click those doors on, make sure they're parallel so the cabinet's not racked, and figure out that overlay of that angled front applied panel in reference to the pencil mark, and scribe these to the wall.